Hey boos. Hey boos, so I know I look like a grease monkey that just got into a grease fight, but today I'm going to be doing a review on this e.l.f. dual-sided silicone blender and the e.l.f. multi-blender massager. Yeah, so I just seen these two in Wally Mart and I'm going to be doing a review on them. Believe it or not, I just started doing my makeup, my actual foundation with my beauty blender, because before I was using the flat top brush with Wet n Wild, or is it e.l.f.? Let me see. With e.l.f. Brushes. Well, it's actually called a powder brush, but it's a flat top. Y'all know what I mean. But I've been using my foundation. I've been putting on my foundation with that. But then when I started using the beauty blender, like, it's been like, I've noticed the difference. My bad, y'all. I should have been up on game. But I am going to be doing a review on this. So if you want to watch, thumbs up. And let's get to this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bar so that you can be informed every time a new video comes out with me. But yeah, let's get to this video. And yeah, I did my eyebrows and a little bit of eyeshadow. It's kind of natural looking because it takes so long on or off camera for my eyebrows. I saw this brush, the dual-sided silicone blender brush, and I want to know how it applies in comparison to the regular blending brush. Now, it says on the back, apply half of your usual amount of liquid product directly to silicone blender. This is the silicone blender. And then this is the back. It's like a velvet kind of, it feels really nice. I don't know if, yeah. So it feels really pretty, really nice, velvet kind of thing. But it says gently swipe product across face and then bounce the silicone blender to even out. It said bouncing around, bounce it, hey. But it says bounce the silicone blender to even out application. Use the flat side to buff to perfection. Okay, so let's get to it. So lately I've been using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. I love this stuff. Like, when the seasons change, my skin changes, my skin complexion, my skin texture, stuff just changes, okay, as the seasons changes. I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm gonna put on, it says put it on a silicone base, so I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna start out with a little, so I just put a dab of it on because that's how much I put on normally, and it says spread it out. It feels really smooth. Oh. I love how this feels. Oh. Goodness. A little goes a long way, like, for real. And then it says buff it out with the velvet. And that's what I'm doing. It's like it's getting it into the skin. Like, the silicone spreads it around evenly, but when you do the Velcro side, it's like it's buffing it and putting it into your skin. If that makes any sense. You see that? Ooh! Girl. OMG. I love this. Oh my god, this application is like everything. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on. And look, like, it's like gone. Oh my gosh. And you don't even need a lot. Oh, this is gonna be my new thing. But this is the application. Y'all see that? It look like super flawless. Now what I normally do is I put my concealer on, and yeah. So I'm going to use this Toffee Pro Concealer LA Girl for my under eye concealer. I normally switch up the different colors, but I really like this color for my skin tone. And we're going to do it with this again. Let's see. It's kind of funny that it's flat. I guess it just takes some getting used to. Yeah, kind of feels weird at first. So now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 40 dark. I'm gonna use my regular blending brush. This isn't the Beauty Blender, it's the one from Real Techniques. Like a knockoff brand to put on my powder, because that is for liquid. That's what it said on the carton at least. I appreciate the tip that they use, but it still feels kind of weird when I put it on right there. I guess it just takes some getting used to, because with this, like, because it's rounded in the tip, I can put it right here and it's easier to apply right there. But because it's flat for that application, it's like I'm trying to get in there, but I really can't at the corner of my eyes, or the inner eye. While I'm baking, I'm going to contour, and that's what this brush is for. Play beautifully. Luxurious, it says number 102 precision multi-blender massager. Okay, whatever, we're not going to do liquid with this. I am going to use it for strictly contouring the darker parts. And I got it, Melody, because I love it. Like, look at it, it's so pretty. And this is the edge. Oh my gosh. It's so soft too. Oh yeah. I wish it was black though, because I'm gonna fuck it up. I mean, mess it up. See, look, it comes up very like noticeable. Oh, that is so pretty. Y'all see that? Any of my deeper tone girls, like, use a dark brown eyeshadow if you have oily skin to contour, because it will show up so pretty, especially like when you baking. Your makeup is already dark, like it's not dark, but it's your color, so when you're baking it's going to look darker, but this will define the darkness a lot more. A dark deep brown contour. I kid you not. If you have oily skin, use it, because you're gonna notice. You notice it, like, that is deep. Okay, I love deeper tones, like where it's noticeable, because it's like, what am I contouring for if it's not noticeable? I need it to be noticeable. And no, I'm not a professional. It's just that I love makeup. I just love doing it, and I've learned a lot of things along the way. So I've done the blending. Sorry, but my camera was overheating, whatever. But I love this. Okay, totally love it. This is the blending brush by powder blurring brush by Elf as well. Very cheap. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter for my setting spray. Now, of course, I put on my, sometimes I put on my blush, and all the times my highlighter, but I set it first and then do that and then set it again. Don't judge me. This is just the Oily Girl Chronicles, what we do to make sure that everything sets perfectly before putting everything on, because everything is so powdery, you know, at first, but it's going to come together. I'm going to put on my lashes, so yeah. yeah, not too bad. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my blush and my highlighter, and then I'll put on my lashes. I never really go overboard with the blush. I used to get bubble gum and like a deep plum. I forgot the name of it from MAC, but I rarely use blush anymore like that. I just do it every once in a while. Okay, now I'm going to do the highlighter, my favorite part. And I use the Sam Marshall Luxurious Highlight Palette. I love it. If you don't know about it, get it. I'm going to use Très Chic and Amour. Très Chic is like a golden, a true golden bronze kind of color. And then I am just going to blend it in. I'm going to be using the Bombshell lashes. These are my favorite lashes from Morphe. They are everything, honey. Yeah, I think it's a go-to. It's a must-have, like, in your collection. Get it if you haven't gotten it already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.